Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Tuesday, and this week actually, starting from today, we're going to have like some serious high impact news. When I'm talking about impact news, I'm talking about the likes of core CPIs, FOMC, like federal rate. I think you can see them on the screen. And also actually Tuesday, which is today, Wednesday, which is tomorrow, Thursday, actually we have some great news which they can actually move the market. Some they call them fundamentals or fundamental news or news events. Those are going to move the market. If maybe we did not have like a load shedding, maybe we were just going to go live and try to trade that live. But I think I can see here, it seems like the forecast here, it seems like the inflation is about to go down. I hope that will happen, because if it does go down, we're gonna see the NASDAQ starting to push up and something like that. So before we continue going deep in the analysis, as you know, I'm gonna show you that on the screen. You're gonna see that there. We have that special, and I'm still repeating here. Thank you very much for supporting the channel. I know that is not big. We don't have like 100,000 and stuff like that, but it's fine. As long as someone is learning something, whether it's 5 people or 2 people, that's great. It's better than nothing, you see. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, by the way. So let's check the charts. I had someone actually said, Kenzo, why not you just also cover USD JPYs and Euro USD? And you know what? I said, yeah, you're right. I can also do that. So now I will start with USD JPY and Euro USD, just to accommodate everyone out there, because not everyone is here just to trade NASDAQ or US30, even though it's something that I do, you see. So now let's work. So I'm just going to make this video very quick. It's around 10 o'clock. It's around 10:30. So it's a bit late, actually a bit late, because we did not have the power. So as you know, firstly, we have to start on 4 hours time frame. You can easily see that actually the market was going up. The market was pushing to the upside. Oh, that is a black color. Okay. The market was pushing to the upside. And after that, we saw a breakout, which means the market is no longer what? The market is no longer pushing to the upside. Now the market is doing what? The market is now pushing down. The market is now going down. The market is going down now, which means we are on a downtrend. So when we are on a downtrend, we try our best just to find structures that will help us to identify the trend. So currently, up there we have something like that. We can throw that, is fine, but we have also horizontal structures that we can use to say, you know what, the market might continue like that. So actually the market will create something like this, go down, create something like this, go down, something like that. So I hope you see that. So yes, we are on a downtrend. I'm just waiting for the market. You can see we also had a sell pending order there. Let me try to zoom this. I just wanted you to see the whole screen actually. So we have something like that. You see that? So I'm expecting here to also, the market is creating this quite similar moves, and if maybe you check the average, that average might be the same. And if you know, you can use this average to know where to take out your profits, or to say maybe this will be my first take profit. So you see, I just cloned this rectangle structure here. Let's see if maybe this makes sense here. You can see that is just quite the same thing. So which means you can see that actually the market gave us quite similar moves, or yeah, just quite similar moves. So it means the market can still repeat that. If you want to try things out, you can also do something like this and say, okay, once the market breaks out, maybe we might have something like this, as the market is been doing something like that. When you check, that is the average that you just tried to compare there, you see. So yeah, I think maybe for the people who trade Euro USD, yes, I think the market is actually on a very nice downtrend. I'm expecting the market to do what? To still push lower where it is now. You see where the market is? I'm expecting the market to push a bit lower. So let's push the next one, as we don't have to make this video very long. So I think we need also Euro USD. So what's really happening on Euro USD? I think you can easily see that, you know what, the market is actually trying to push the upside. If I push back a little bit, you can see that yes, dollar was it was very, very strong. If you still remember, the dollar was like quite strong since last month. I think it's this month. Sorry, last month, when the core CPI was going down, which means shows that the inflation is trying to go down. That helps the markets to try to recover, or maybe we can say it helped the euro to start to push the upside. So let's see. As I showed you that the market was pushing down, that was a downtrend. This one here, it's very nice, straightforward uptrend. So let's see. Actually, the market is still respecting this nice uptrend. You can see the market is creating some very nice structures that we can use. You can see the market consolidate, So I'm expecting the market to do what? To push maybe around to reach this area before pushing up again. Or maybe I can try to zoom if maybe you don't really see nice there. I'm expecting the market to do what? To respect this support area here before breaking that resistance and pushing to the upside. Yes, this is a counter trend line. The market can break that very quick, and the market can still come back around this outer support before pushing up. That is also possible. So something like this, you see, something like this, it's also possible if maybe the market will end up selling off. Remember, we have core CPI, and remember, if the CPI is going down, that is going to favor other pairs, not the dollar. It's going to favor the NASDAQs, the euros. That is going to favor those pairs. But if that number is still going up, that is going to boost the dollar in a bad way, by the way. So everything against the dollar, they're just going to bleed. I hope you see that. I hope you understand that. So now let's push. Now we are on NASDAQ. What's really happening on NASDAQ? Yes, NASDAQ is still actually on a very straightforward structure, which we can call actually a downtrend. This is just a quick analysis because whatever that we do now and yesterday is just the same, because the market was not moving that much. So when we push closer there, we can see that yes, the market is still on that downtrend, but the structures are very, very, very closer to our resistance. So I'm expecting maybe the market to reach this area as a resistance, then to push lower. Do you see that? Or just because we have the news coming, there is a chance that the market can break this area and push out, or maybe break this support area and push lower again. But I'm expecting maybe the market to get out of this resistance, especially when we already saw that on US30 the market is already out of that resistance. That might be a way to show us that maybe the news might be good for the market. I mean, for US30, NASDAQ, and the S&P 500 and the gold, we might see the market pushing up. That is possible. I'm not saying the market will just push up. I'm just saying that there is that possibility. Especially, I showed you the news. It seems like the news are going to actually, the inflation is going to go lower a little bit, and that is good actually for the market. So I think that will happen, but we will wait for those news to happen. If maybe I will have that extra time, we can go on our live session. Yeah, let's hydrate. Let's push the next one. Which is US30. This is what I was talking about. US30 is still, it was actually on a downtrend. You can see this. The market was going down very nice. So after that, we saw a breakout. So that breakout happened, and we welcome that because we want the market to push up, by the way. And on top of this breakout, you can see that the market created something like a support. Then the market was just consolidating around there. That's why yesterday we had a very nice buy pending order. You can see the market is still pushing. Actually, that's why we say if you want to be part of the team, it's much better for you just to join the team while it's still $18. I will just keep that up to month end because I saw that there is people who actually really support the channel. So yeah, now the market is consolidating here. So there's a chance later on we're gonna see the market, if it's going to break this resistance, or maybe the market will be breaking this support, because mostly, like currently, core CPI or CPI is very, very important, especially during times like this. Years before, when the inflation was still very maybe very low, it wasn't really, it was important, but it wasn't moving the market that crazy. But now, because everyone is watching, everyone is looking what will happen, because you know things are going bad now, that is it makes the news like way too important. So I hope you understand that. So yeah, I'm expecting the market maybe to still push up as we broke out of this resistance, which means maybe the market is still willing to push to the upside. So I'm expecting the market to push to the upside, and that is a good thing because we might buy. And again, I forgot, I showed you only CPI. If I can show you again, you can see that it's CPI, but tomorrow we also have federal rates. Tomorrow we have federal rates, so which means it's interesting. On Thursday we have core retail sales. That's crazy. Tomorrow they're going to increase the rates, maybe with 50 basis points. You can see here. Yeah, that's something else. That's something else. But anyways, I think it's good for the market because the market will be like seriously moving up and down. So yeah, on US30, I'm expecting the market to push up, especially. But the best thing is to wait for the market to break this resistance or the support before you act. Once the market breaks here, it will show you that, you know what, I need to buy. If the market breaks this support, I need to sell. Simple as that. So let's push to the next one. This video was not supposed to be long. Okay, now we are on US30. US oil. US oil. What's really happening here is, yes, the market is still on a very nice downtrend. The market is creating a very straightforward downtrend. We also identified our resistance line just to show you that actually we're just looking for what? For sell positions. We don't look for anything, because if you start to look for something else, you're just going to get confused. We follow the trend. If the trend is going down, we're just going to follow that. So we're not going to play games and say, oh, this, nope. We're not going to do that. So what's really happening here is the market is creating structures, and when you check, it's creating these structures, but it's also going down. It's going down like that. You see that? Maybe someone can say, no, Kenzo, we don't really see that. We can also draw there. The market created something. Even here you can see. Even here you can see. Even now the market can create that before going down. So it means when we say the market is going to sell, it's not just going to go straight like that, but the market can just create some stuff like that. The market will actually reverse one way or another. But currently the market is actually on our resistance, so I'm expecting to have a very nice sell there. But you know, it's not really safe, especially when there is a news like that, because the market is going to spike. We don't know whether it's going to spike up or down. We don't actually have to guess that. Just wait for the market to release that. But if you want to take some risks, I also take some risks most of the time. I can just say, I think maybe the market is going to sell, and I sell. I think maybe the market is going to buy. Sometimes I lose, and I lose very quick. You can even blow the account, because the broker won't actually activate your stop loss. But when you make money, if it goes in your favor, you're gonna thank me later. Hey, you're gonna make something very nice, very quick, by the way. So yeah, here we can have something like this. Or if you don't really want to lose, you can say, okay, if you have two accounts, two brokers, you can say, okay, I need to sell on this one. You can sell on this broker and buy on the other broker. I think maybe that is not allowed. I don't know. If it's not allowed, don't do that. If they don't allow that in your country, I'm not saying anyone should do that, but if you don't want to lose, you can buy and sell. Maybe you can make something. So I think we are on a sell here. Let's push to the next one, which is gold. So what's really happening on gold? You can easily see that yes, the market was like aggressively on a downtrend. Since we had some good news, the market is now trying to push to the upside, which is very good. Please, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So you can easily see that yes, actually the market is doing what? The market is actually pushing to the upside, even though this trend is not really perfect, but you can easily see that the market slowly is respecting our support area. The market is respecting the support area. Then yeah, we're expecting the market to push up. As long as this support is not broken, we'll keep buying, going to the upside. I hope you understand that, and I hope you appreciate whatever that you see here. If you feel like the content is fine or it's great, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. The special is still on for you. For those who wants to join, just join. The robot is also there. You can see, you can just WhatsApp me, Telegram me. Then January, things are going back to normal. Prices are going back to normal. The robot is 265. Lifetime signals is 165, I guess. So something like that. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. Bye.